isa sigurong gusto ko lang impart din sa mga photo and video and to all the suppliers, no?
Yes.
Lagi kasi namin sinasabi sa kliyente, the most important happening at your wedding is actually the ceremony, the sacrament, sa mga Catholics is the sacrament, sa mga ibang mga ibang religions, so yung the ceremony itself. Kami talaga, we treat it as sacred, and we always tell them, treat it as a sacred. Sabi nga namin, consider your wedding as a spiritual activity,
Yes.
Kasi kaya pupunta yung guest ninyo kaya sila nandyan kasi they want to see you give that commitment in front of the Lord. So, ang request namin, sana lahat tayo, we consider that also sacred. Kasi nakakalungkot minsan na isipin na
Trabaho lang
may mga
tayo.
ibang, may mga ibang katrabaho tayo na, pag during ceremony, lalo na pag nasa simbahan, iba kung kumilos, parang let's give respect naman to, I mean, regardless kung anong religion, not just Catholic, but ang dami na namin naging wedding na iba-ibang religion. And we always give yung respect na kailangan for that.